Hi everyone, 8 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equal to 130. How do we solve this equation? 8 could be written as 2 to the power of 3 times x plus 2 to the power of x equal to 130. This implies that. Let us swap these two guys. So we have 2 to the power of x times 3 plus 2 to the power of x equal to 130. Now, suppose we let 2 to the power of x equal to y. This implies that y to the power of 3 plus y is equal to 130. This implies that. Now, let us consider 130. What are the factor product of 130? The factor product of 130 is 26 and 5. 26 times 5, that gives 130. Also, let us consider y. Y could be written as 26y minus, what is 5 square? 5 square, that is 25. So we have 25y. Let's continue. So we have y to the power of 3 plus y. Bring this guy to the left side. We have minus 130 equal to 0. This implies that y to the power of 3. Now, let us replace this particular y with 26y minus 25y minus 25y plus 26y minus 130 equal to 0. Still the same thing as this, just the rearrangement. This implies that what is common here? Y is common. We can factor it out. So that will be y into y squared minus 25 plus, we can also factor out 26 from these guys. So that will be 26 into y minus 5 equal to 0. This implies that y into y squared minus 25 could be written as 5 squared plus 26 into y minus 5 equal to 0. This implies that y square minus 5 square is the difference of 2 square, and we can write it as y minus 5 times y plus 5 plus 26 into y minus 5 equal to 0. You will notice that y minus 5 is common. We can factor it out. So that will be y minus 5 into y plus 5 plus 26 equal to 0. This implies that y minus 5 is equal to 0, or y times y, that is y squared, plus y times 5, 5y, plus 26 is equal to 0. This implies that from this line, it is obvious y is equal to 5. Now, let us consider this equation. We can actually solve it using quadratic formula, which is y equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. From this equation, a is equal to 1, b equal to 5, c equal to 26. Y equal to minus, what is b? B is 5, plus or minus square root of b square, that will be 5 square, minus 4 into a is 1, c is 26, all divided by 2 into 1. Y equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared, that is 25, minus 4 times 1 times 26, that is 104, divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. Y equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 104, that is minus 79, divided by 2. Let's continue. Y equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 79 could be written as square root of negative 1 times square root of 79, all divided by 2. So y equal to minus 5 plus or minus, don't forget, from the complex number, square root of minus 1 is equals to I. So we have I here times square root of 79 divided by 2. You will see that we have two sets of solutions. This is the first solution that we obtained, y equals to 5. There is another set of solutions, y equals to minus 5 plus or minus I times square root of 79 divided by 2. But we have to ignore this. This is a complex solution and also less than 0. So we have to ignore this guy and focus only on y equals to 5. This is a real solution. So since 2 to the power of x is equal to y, this means that 2 to the power of x is equal to, what is y? Y is 5. Now, take natural log of both sides. That will be log 2 to the power of x equal to log 5. Let's separate this. Log 2 to the power of x could be written as x times log 2 equal to log 5. If we divide both sides by log 2, divide both sides by log 2, on the left hand side, log 2 cancel log 2, we are left with x equal to log 5 divided by log 2. X is equal to, what is log 5? Plug into your calculator, you're gonna have 0.699 divided by, also, what is log 2? That is 0.301. X is now equal to 0.699 divided by 0.301, that is 2.322. This is the required solution. Now let us verify if this answer is correct. Verify. Original question says 8 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 130. This implies that 8, what is x? X is 2.322. 2.322 plus 2. In place of x, we also write 2.322. 2.322 equal to 130. This is our claim. 8 to the power of 2.322, that is 125, plus, what is 2 to the power of 2.322? That is also 5. You can confirm that using your calculator. This equal to 130, our claim. 125 plus 5, that is 130, which is equal to the right hand side, 130. This is 0. You will see that the left hand side, this guy, is equal to the right hand side. That means, indeed, the answer we got here, 2.322, is correct. That's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.